Ensuring fair employment conditions for foreign workers in Albania, rights and legal protections. In recent years, Albania has become an emerging labor market for workers from Asia, Africa, and other continents. This shift is largely due to the massive emigration of Albanian youth. An estimated 1.7 million people have left the country in recent years, many of them highly educated professionals seeking better opportunities in Europe and beyond. As a result, Albania has turned to foreign labor to fill workforce gaps across various industries. However, with this new labor influx, it is essential to ensure that foreign workers are treated fairly and in accordance with Albanian labor laws. Legal protections for foreign workers in Albania. Foreign workers in Albania are entitled to the same rights and protections as local employees. The Albanian Labor Code, Law Number 7961, dated December 7, 1995, as amended, and other related regulations provide the framework for fair and dignified employment. Here are some key rights that all foreign workers should be aware of. Right to legal employment and residence. All foreign workers must have a valid work permit and residence permit. Employers are responsible for ensuring that foreign employees are legally employed and registered with the relevant authorities. Work permits are issued by the National Employment Service, Zaira e Punas, and must comply with Albania's labor market regulations. Prohibition of passport confiscation. It is illegal for an employer to withhold an employee's passport or any other personal documents. According to Article 109/B of the Albanian Criminal Code, the unlawful seizure of personal identification documents can be considered a form of coercion and human trafficking, punishable by law. Foreign workers who experience passport confiscation should immediately report the incident to the nearest police station or labor inspectorate. Adequate living conditions. Employers who provide accommodation must ensure that workers are housed in safe, hygienic, and dignified conditions. Living in makeshift or overcrowded camps, kapanon, without basic necessities is a violation of Albanian labor and housing regulations. The law requires employers to offer accommodations that meet minimum safety and health standards. Fair wages and employment contracts. Foreign workers must receive wages as agreed in their contract and in accordance with Albanian labor laws. Employment contracts should be written in a language that the worker understands and must include all terms of employment, including salary, working hours, and benefits. Non-payment or underpayment of wages is illegal and should be reported to the labor inspectorate. Freedom from forced labor and exploitation. No worker should be subjected to forced labor, long unpaid working hours, or any form of exploitation. Article 124/B of the Albanian Criminal Code explicitly criminalizes forced labor and human trafficking, with severe penalties for perpetrators. Any foreign worker who is coerced into exploitative conditions has the right to seek legal assistance and protection from local authorities. Right to file complaints and seek legal help. Foreign workers who face unfair treatment, abuse, or contract violations have the right to file a complaint with the State Labor Inspectorate, Inspektorati Shtetror I Punës. Free legal aid is available through non-governmental organizations, NGOs, and government institutions that support migrant workers. Reporting violations and seeking help. If you are a foreign worker facing mistreatment in Albania, here are the steps you should take. Contact the nearest police station if your employer has confiscated your passport or subjected you to forced labor. Report labor violations to the National Labor Inspectorate. Website: www.inspektorati.gov.al. Seek legal aid from human rights organizations and labor unions operating in Albania. Call emergency services, 112, if you are in immediate danger or need urgent assistance. Conclusion: know your rights and demand fair treatment. Albania is a country that welcomes foreign workers, but it is crucial that all employees, regardless of nationality, are treated with dignity and respect. Employers must comply with labor laws, and foreign workers must be aware of their rights to avoid exploitation. To all international workers in Albania, you are not alone. The law is on your side, and there are institutions ready to support you. Demand fair treatment and never allow yourself to be trapped in exploitative conditions. Welcome to Albania, but ensure that you are treated with the dignity and respect you deserve.